Hello again. In this tutorial, I will be going through a request. Um, this person requested how to revive a unit. When a unit dies, it should be revived, and we will do this via triggers. So here I've created a map. I've added some units for different players so that we get some units dying once we start the map. And I've created the revealer for player 1 in the triggers. That's all I've done so far. Now I'm going to add a new trigger here. Revive units. And what we're going to do first of all, we're going to add the event, unit dies. Then we're going to add some variables here. Unit type, which is obviously going to be a unit type. And we're going to set it to the triggering unit type of triggering unit. So we're going to take unit position, and it's going to be a point. And we're going to set it once again to position of unit and the triggering unit, so the unit that's dying. And we could do angle as well, but I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to do a unit owner, which is going to be a player. So of course an integer is the player number. And then I'm going to take owner of unit. You could do a triggering player as well, but let's just do this for the consistency. So in actions, I'm going to put a wait. So we're going to wait, say 5 seconds. And then I'm going to create unit with default facing. Here you could have done the angle as well. Going to do one unit of type, variable unit type for player, unit owner, at point, unit position. And that's all. The reason I'm doing a tutorial for this is simply because if you try to do this directly by putting the stuff into this create unit, you would put the unit type of triggering unit and so on, it would not work. That's because of this wait here. If I'd done it like this, so it instantly revives, then it would work. However, when you have the wait, the unit that has died will be removed from memory before this trigger here is run. So if you try to get the info about the triggering unit here, it will give an error. And that is why you have to put it into variables right away when the trigger is run while the unit is still in memory. And that's it. It's a really short tutorial. So let's go into the game and see how this looks. So here we are in game, and you'll see units dying, and 5 seconds later they will respawn. And that's all this map does. It's really simple. You can also add conditions to check what type of unit, which player, you can change the position of the respawn, and so on. If you have anything else you want me to make a tutorial for, then feel free to post it in a comment to one of my videos, or send me a message, and I'll see what I can do. So that's it for this time.